Hey my beautiful people, it is your girl. If you're new to this channel, thank you for joining me and kindly subscribe to become part of this beautiful family. I am sure you're going to love your stay, and if you are returning, I see you and welcome back. I know I haven't been in these streets like in a while, but you know, I am back with some exciting things coming up, which I know that you are going to absolutely love. Today I am bringing you a reinstall. I decided to reinstall this beautiful bob wig, which I've had for like 4 years, but I only wore it twice, and I was like, I miss my red number. It is hot, it's giving a baddie, and I was like, why not just do a video showing you guys how I reinstall old wigs, because I've had to do some research, watch some videos for me to get to where I am today, and if 1 or 2 people can learn from me, I'll be more than happy. So this is the wig I am going to be reinstalling. It's a straight wig, but I just curled it. I am not the best at styling my hair. I'm like a beginner, but I'm learning, and I want you guys to learn with me, okay? So I do enjoy the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends to tell their friends, and tell your family and your cousins and everyone, man, everyone, to watch me, okay? Hope you enjoy the video. This is her, and she is very red and up there, okay? So this is how she looks. It's a bob wig. Okay. I'm only going to be applying 2 layers of this ghost bond because I want to remove it soon, so like in 2 to 3 days, because I have an event coming up and I'm going to do a different hairstyle. So this is not, I don't want this hair to last long, and I'm going to be gymming, so you know how that goes. So I'm not gonna go all the way to my head because that's gonna be a mission. So I'm just gonna stop there and just hope for the best. Literally. Okay, so this is the first layer. As you can see that already on my forehead it's drying, and then on the sides it's not drying so much. So just gonna give it time, then I'm gonna put the second layer, and then we'll take it from there. Doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. Been them niggas ever since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see it, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Grip her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffing. Free my corner, baby doggy psyched out still. Your baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spinning still. Lifestyle, shake it twisted, I've been living shady. I've been
shit for my dogs. I just beat up the mall. I just beat up my wrist. I was ducking IRS. I was taking that risk. I was taking that bitch. I was flying air jerks. I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me hands at 18. Ain't know what to do. I fucking sack up at the jeweler. I was going stupid. Fell in love with a teller. I don't know Cupid. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do it. Anywhere, everywhere. He don't give a damn.
So while I wait for the glue to dry, I am going to try to curl my hair. I am not the best when it comes to styling my hair, but we are going to do it anyway. I am going to attempt to do the side part. It's an attempt, okay? It's an attempt.
Hermes ash for the dark, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cass. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter, they ain't never me the swagger. Treat it back, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Working 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sword. Grow hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. Got these niggas, they look me the same. They cussing my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, I'm just gon' empty shit. Bitch, breaking ninjas that look at the kid. The fountain, I'm making the Canada. We just money like they my religion. If you're a man, they're sad. If you're vanity, nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them touched 100, something kid. They came out the jungle, they kidnapped the kid. I took about a bundle, spinning on the crib. I look at the ocean, it's my 30 M. You know I'm at, the city I'm in. I keep me no funny, no matter what I'm in. I have such an action, I'm fancy Korean. You fucking me good, bitch.
Oh my goodness. You know what? I'm gonna have to do this off camera and then come back because 1 plus 1 is not equals to 2. It is not adding up. So I'm gonna end up burning myself if I continue taking videos while I do this. So let me just stand in the mirror and try my utmost to curl my hair, because at this point kunzima kuyapera very much. Dit is moeilijk. Is it moeilijk? Yo, whatever. I'll be back. I am almost done. Tell me, why did this take me an hour to do? I don't know how you guys do it, but like, wow. I'm mad. Oh. Ooh, okay. You go this side.
Birkin bag, hold 5, 6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so we call this pussy figure. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass in the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. Drinking on licking, I'm looking at your nigga. If it's money right, you can eat it like a sticker. I ain't got time for this fake ass hoe. Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, that's that fake ass hoe. I'm the realest bitch, never see snake ass hoe. Act up, you get snatched up.
The back is not backing, but the front is the most important. Okie dokes. Now I'm gonna use my hot comb just to flatten this area, and then yeah. For the moment of truth. Ooh.
I've been on these bitches next so long, sometimes I forget stuff. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word up tomorrow.
Not too shabby. Not
They want me today, then get some sleep, you know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's all my friend put on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I'm about to say one even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me. Who say that
It's not perfect,
that nigga,
but
he gon' eat me like a mango.
it's something.
It be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow that these hoes will be mad at. All y'all bitches sweet, and I always get my lick boo.
Now let's do makeup. Then the next thing that you do is you prime your face. I'm using my old primer, it's almost finished. Wet n Wild, if you're watching this, please sponsor your girl. So there's almost nothing. Sana, there's nothing here. And please do not mind my nails. I know they look a little ratchet, but like the focal point here is makeup, okay, and not my nails. Face is primed. Up next is foundation. So I'm using this brush. Up next is foundation. So I'm using this brush. Then she goes with a lighter concealer, just a tad bit. Here. There. Then I'm gonna go in using this there.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Family been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seems like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the vibe, billing out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt. And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, Yuki. All of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It girls, and we ain't playing tag. We ain't nothing to play about. You wanna play in the playhouse? Yeah.